Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful keys on your keyboard, the Windows key. You see it every day, but do you really know everything it can do? Let's find out. 1. What is the Windows key? The Windows key is a special key found on most keyboards with a Windows logo. It's a shortcut key that helps you quickly access features, launch apps, and navigate Windows faster. Located between the Control and Alt keys on most keyboards. 2. What does the Windows key do? Basic functions. 1. Press the Windows key, opens the Start menu instantly. 2. Win-D, show or hide the desktop. 3. Win-E, open File Explorer. 4. Win-L, lock your PC for security. 5. Win-Tab, open the task view to switch between windows. The Windows key is more than just a logo on your keyboard. It's your shortcut to faster navigation and better productivity. Did you learn something new today? Let me know your favorite Windows key shortcut in the comments. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tips from Fix Me Master. See you in the next one. Peace.